Okay, I've got everything else finished. I did the straps. Remember I showed you how to do those in like a 3, fold them in 3, and then you stitch down the center. But what I did is, I don't know if I can show you everything on here, but this here, can you see this? There. This end, it looks like there's 2 D-rings, but what this is this is the dog collar. As you can see here, when it slips up, you make a collar and then you just attached it to the end there. Now it has a clip on the end, the snap on the end, so you can take it, the whole thing off. So this comes out, and then you can take the dog collar off if you want to slip it on another dog, or your dog, your leash broke. So then the leash part begins. So that goes clear down there. That's how it looks. And then I attached the dog collar to the leash, which is your strap now. And that goes clear down, and then you have another snap and another D-ring. So it ended up being 4 D-rings that I used and 2 snaps. And I like this too because you can adjust this. Like you could adjust it down if you wanted the leash to be, your strap to be shorter when you're walking around. You can adjust that by just wrapping it back up. And I sewed it again just one time, but I suggest that, I'm running out of thread, I suggest that you run clear down 2 more times, 2 or 3 times, to make your leash and lead, your strap, stronger. 1 time is fine, and I didn't fold it under. I've just left it raw. You could even, especially on the strap part, it is a little wider than the collar part. So I was able to join that together by using the the D-ring. You can see how this one here, let me see that. This one is a little smaller than the actual lead, but I joined them together with a D-ring. But if you wanted to, you could make the strap part thinner so that it's all the same. But it doesn't really matter once you add all the hardware to it. So then you have your whole little bag. This is the bag. And you're probably seeing that backwards. I don't know, because I've got this camera facing towards me, but this is your dog mom. There's your little bags that you will put in there, pull out. Then you have this, you have your phone, and on the back you have your dog treats. And I put that on the back because while you're walking, you may want to have your dog look at you. Sometimes it's good to have your dog do a down while people are coming by or other dogs. And then you reach in here and you have your treat as an incentive for them to sit or stay when you want. And you don't have to be digging around inside your dog walking bag. It's very lightweight. It's all on 1 fat quarter. I think this is going to be a great gift item for this winter. And I love the duality of having the strap as a lead and extra collar right there in case you need it. I have ran into people who have lost a dog, and my daughter even just last year found a dog with no collar running loose, and she already had 2 dogs that she was leading, but she was able to catch the dog and hold him for the owner, and who came running up, about a half an hour later. So he was really glad that she got the dog, because their kids really loved him, and he was still a young dog. But in those cases, it's happened to me so much that I think this would be a really